Bitdefender might not be the cheapest option in the market when it comes to antivirus, but it's highly rated antivirus app. Let's find out if it's worth the hype. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and if at any point you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below, where you might find some discount. Starting with the reputation of the Bitdefender, over the years it has gained a solid reputation. Even in independent lab tests, it has performed very well. It even got the AV Comparative Product of the Year 4 times. Words aside, let's have a look at the tests and make the numbers talk. In terms of detection, it has blocked 100% of the threats for both 0-day malware attack and 4-week-old malware test as of September and October 2023. Rest, it also has a 6 out of 6 rating in both usability and performance. Talking about the usability itself, it is an intuitive program. Installation was quick and easy, and as soon as you do that, it will run a quick assessment, scanning your whole system. After you are all set, the app welcomes with a minimal dashboard that has 6 quick actions, and we can customize them. Below that, we have a protection section that accommodates all the necessary tools to make our system secure, like antivirus, online threat prevention, firewall, anti-spam, etc. Privacy related tools could be found in the section below protection. It has, well, all the privacy related tools like SafePay, VPN, password manager, audio video protection, anti-tracker, and even parental control. Utilities have even more tools to protect us, like anti-theft, optimization profiles, and data protection. Rest, we have notifications and settings to tweak the behavior of the app. There are no feature pop-ups, which is a good thing. Depending on your plan, you can protect from single device to multiple, like it's available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. So let's say if you go with the total security plan, then you get all your devices protected. However, the iOS app is not recommended as it is limited in terms of features. It only has vulnerability checker, browsing protection, data breach checker, and limited VPN. On the other hand, Android app has all the features. Now that you have seen the app works, let's talk about the features that you would need every day to protect your system. First being the real-time protection, though it's a feature that you will find in all the antivirus programs, but how powerful it is what matters to us. With Bitdefender, it works so well because it has a network of 500 million machines that instantly detects new malware models. It can detect all types of threats like e-threats, viruses, worms, trojans, zero-day attacks, rootkits, and you name it. Next, it also has advanced threat defense. It uses a technique called behavioral detection to closely monitor active apps. The moment it detects anything suspicious, it instantly prevents the infection. Network threat prevention feature protects us from cyber attacks. It can identify suspicious network activity, block exploits, malware URL, and things like that. Multi-layer ransomware protection safeguards our documents, pictures, videos, and music against all kinds of ransomware attacks. In fact, it works with advanced threat defense module to protect files from encrypted by ransomware. Now, what if the virus blew up the whole operating system? In that case, a rescue environment might be useful to fix things. As soon as it detects that kind of malware, it automatically boots in a rescue environment for cleanup and restoration. Inside the protection tab of the app, you will find vulnerability that can scan for security holes and vulnerabilities. It can check if the system is outdated, missing Windows security patches, and any unsafe system settings. Now that we have our system protected, we still have to keep ourselves from the internet. So there are a couple of features for that as well, like anti-phishing, anti-fraud, anti-spam, and web attack prevention. We saw that there was a SafePay button on the dashboard. When you click on that, it will open a secure browser. That is, I would say, the best way to make online purchases. In terms of extra security features, it packs with a firewall that can essentially manage your connections. You can create rules if you would like to. Somehow, a parental control also managed to get in the app. Good for us. With the help of this, you can keep an eye on your children. I know it's a very subjective thing, but hey, it's there if you need it. Following the recent trend, they thought of bundling a VPN as well. It has industry standard encryption and has a good amount of servers and locations. Rest, it has all the bells and whistles that every VPN has, like kill switch, VPN tunnel, auto connect, things like that. Even with all these features, I did notice that the program is not stressing on the CPU. It was below 50% for the most part, which is quite low as compared to most recent antivirus programs I've tested. Now there are even more hidden gems, however that would take us forever to cover. So let's move ahead and talk about the cons followed by the pricing. First being, with a total security plan, VPN provides an underwhelming limit of only 200 MB per day per device. If you want to have unlimited VPN, then you have to go with premium security plan. Second is that the pricing options are a little bit complicated, but worry not, I'm here. If you want device security alongside with all the features like VPN, password manager and identity protection, then all-in-one plan is the way to go. You can select between these three options. Family plan is also there if in case. Now if you just want the individual things, like if you just want the security, then these 5 are your options. And these are the plans for VPN, password manager and identity protection. Well, I would suggest the all-in-one total security plan if you don't need a VPN, or even if you do, you can go with Express VPN that I recommend or something like that. I will leave that down below alongside the discount link for the Bitdefender, so make sure to check it out. That's it from my side. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Now if you are looking for a best cloud storage service, then this video will definitely help. And if you are looking for the best PDF apps, then here you go. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye bye.